Hello library families, Miss Lori here from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and thanks for joining me for today's STEAM activity. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. Today I'm going to show you one of the library's new kits that support STEAM learning at home.
This is the Building Challenge Learn at Home kit. This kit was made on the laser engraving machine at the library. It comes with squares, circles, and pentagons with grooves cut out where they can be slotted together so that you can build different structures. Can you design, build, and test a bridge structure that will support the weight of an object? Or will you design a tall skyscraper with a strong foundation? While building, discuss what shapes make the strongest structures, and learn about the tallest towers in the world and what features they have in common. Each of the kits come with a handout detailing some learning goals, interesting facts, and extension activities your learners can explore.
There are also book recommendations that you can request on our website for further learning opportunities. You can purchase one of our Learn at Home kits for the learners in your life by checking out our website, innisfilidealab.ca, and clicking on the Kids and Family link. We would love for you to share a photo of what structures you have been building with us at the library. You can take a picture and tag us on social media at Innisfil Idea Lab, or you can send me an email at ljeffery@innisfilidealab.ca. Hope to see you all soon. Take care.